Misamis Oriental is a home not just of breathtaking and scenic tourist spots, but also of empowered aspiring beauty queens. On Monday, May 30, 2022, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the active leadership of Governor Bambi Emano, spearheaded the turnover of plaques and recognition and cash incentives to retired officials and employees of the provincial capital during the weekly flag raising ceremony. 25 retirees were beneficiaries of the said recognition and each received the award with pride and honor. Some of the retirees were represented by their family members who received such rewards on their behalf, with amounts reaching 23,000 pesos to 41,000 pesos for the 23 to 41 years in service, while those 16,000 were given to individuals with 20 years work experience under PGMO and 13,600 for 17 years and 7,500 for 15 years respectively. The said award recognizes the contributions of the retired officials and employees in the efficiency and improvement in the delivery of public service that played a vital role in achieving productivity as it benefits the province of Mis-Or.
41 years ako nga nagserbisyo din sa Kapitolyo Provincial ug karon akong nabati ang akong kaugalingon diin nga na-enhance ang akong self-worth o self-importance sa gihatag nga palipay o pasidungog ni Governor Bambi Emano.
Moreover, 3 Misamis beauties vying for the 3 national crowns this year had a special appearance last Monday. Miss Philippines Earth Misamis Oriental Miss Jimema Tempra, Miss World Philippines Misamis Oriental Miss Nataza Vea Bautista, and Binibining Pilipinas Misamis Oriental Miss Ethel May Pabillaran thanked Governor Bambi Emano and Attorney Jeffrey Saclot for the full support to their beauty pageant journey. Governor Bambi Emano takes pride in representing beauty queens for their relentless effort in promoting and bringing the province of Misamis Oriental to the national stage of pageantry. Additionally, on Monday, Provincial Veterinarian Dr. Benjamin Resma gave an update of the latest development on the livelihood program called Itikan sa Kalambuan for ASF-affected hog raisers of the province. According to Dr. Resma, duck eggs were already collected, generating a total income worth in the last 6 months. Danny Vertidazo of Shama Jr., PIO.
Change is constant, and a key component for managing both change and transition is communication. That provides an opportunity to identify, clarify, and develop strategies for effective and efficient leadership for what the future holds. On Tuesday, May 31, 2022, the provincial government headed by Governor Bambi Emano conducted a transition discussion for the incoming governor, Peter Sr. Pedro M. Onabia, as he enters a time of intense action and learning as the new provincial governor of Misamis Oriental. Attorney Jocelyn Lod Mateo, the provincial administrator, presented in an all-staff meeting Governor Bambi's administration's accomplishment in 9 years of service and the programs and projects that hopefully be continued by Governor Onabia as he takes on the responsibility as the new chief executive, bringing with him the Paglaom program that will propel Misamis Oriental to greater heights, especially in reducing the poverty rate of the province. In his message, Governor-elect Onabia thanked Governor Bambi Emano for his commitment to serving the people, acknowledging the significant achievement of Governor Emano in reducing the poverty rate of the province from 30% down to 18%, and challenging his administration to even reduce it down to a single-digit percentage. Meanwhile, Governor Bambi expressed his strong support to the next governor and his team by assisting them and providing them with their needs for immediate implementation of his programs, projects, and services. In another story, the rabies vaccination team from the Provincial Veterinary Office conducted a mass rabies vaccination in Barangay Poblacion, Lagindingan in coordination with the Municipal Agriculture Office. 246 cats and dogs availed the free service, which aims at protecting them from getting infected with rabies that could potentially be transmitted to humans. Lastly, the Provincial Capital Employees Multi-Purpose Cooperative or PSEMCO conducted a pre-membership education seminar for 18 employees of the provincial capital who wish to become members of the cooperative. There, PGMO employees were able to know the cooperative's history and the services and products that they can avail themselves as official members of the cooperative. As of now, there are 800 members of PSEMCO comprising casual and regular employees. Ray Marximania, PIO.
For the last 9 years in service, Governor Bambi Emano constantly showed his excellence and expertise in governance. No wonder that he's been hailed as sobrang galing laging gising kind of leader. On Wednesday, June 1, 2022, for the remaining days before Governor Bambi Emano end his term as the chief executive of the province, different department heads from the provincial capital guested the Lambo Nis or program anchored by Dondon Irat. Provincial Early Childhood Care and Development Officer, Ms. Meridin Okot, Provincial Administrator Attorney Jocelyn Luud Mateo, with the special participation of Binibining Pilipinas, Misamis Oriental Representative, Ms. May Ponce Pabilyaran, and Cagayan de Oro City Councilor-elect Evie Emano enjoined the radio program. The mentioned personalities showcased their accomplishments made for the last 9 years of serving the people of Misamis Oriental under Governor Bambi's administration, while contributing to the tourism sector by the different programs and services implemented and in representing the province in the national stage. Also, Ms. Evie Emano, in resemblance of his late father Dongkoy Emano, joined the said program and expressed her desire for the welfare of the fire victims at Barangay Lapasan, Cagayan de Oro City after a benevolent service done by giving them immediate needs. Thus, Governor Bambi Emano believed that the achievements made by the different offices will not be in vain, especially with the new administration at hand, and he is certain that Governor-elect Peter Onabia shares with his desire and vision of helping the people of Misor improve their lives while aiming for an economic growth as a whole. Jane Salimbao, PIO.
The province of Misamis Oriental is truly blessed to have a leader like Governor Bambi Emano, who is wholeheartedly empathic of the welfare and well-being of his constituents.
On June 2, 2022, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office or PSWDO, under the leadership of Mr. Junley Mar Abelia, turned over calamity assistance to internally displaced persons or IDPs who also belong to the indigenous people or IP group in the city of El Salvador and the municipality of Opol. Present along with the event was Misamis Oriental IPMR Provincial Board Member Alan Mandukita. A total of 160,000 pesos was received by 75 indigenous persons for their swift recovery after greatly affected by typhoons that struck the area in the past months. With this, El Salvador Higaonon Tribal Council or El Sahistrico Chieftain Jeffrey B. Acot or Datum Manununod in his honorary tribal name could not contain his happiness seeing his fellow tribemates receive the assistance from PGMO.
Karon dako kay ilang kalipay tungod kay natubag na ang ilang kuan o lami kay tanawon ang ilang mga dagway karon nga nagmalipayon sa ilang pagdawat sa ilang cash assistance. Mandukita na mo atong board member dere sa Tibok Misamis Oriental si Dato sa Lagaan. Og nagpasalamat po kog dako sa atong umaabot nga gobernador si Peter Onabia, si Congressman Bambi Emano ug sa tanang mga board member ug labaw na gyud dinhi sa PSWD nga karon nagpahigayon gyud og pag-release sa mga hinabang sa akong katawhan dinhi sa El Salvador City.
On the same day, Misamis Oriental candidate for Miss World Philippines Natasha Vea Bautista showcased the versatile beauty of the province during the grand gala night of the pageant held at Okada Manila Grand Ballroom. Wearing an angelic white dress, Miss Bautista showed her divine angelic beauty during the introduction of candidates. She then walked the aisle in her sophisticated casual attire in dazzling silver, which represents Misamis Oriental as a thriving business destination with a whole lot of leisure opportunities. Finally, Miss Bautista set the stage on fire wearing a fierce red gown designed by Hilma Kaibay III, exclaiming, "We fight till the end." The gowns speak of power, and the power is channeled through prayer, presence, and pomp. Jessie Andaliasa, PIO.
Friday is filled with excitement and fun as the good governance of Governor Bambi Emano never fails to provide good service to the people here in the province.
On Friday, June 3, 2022, Provincial Early Childhood Care and Development Office Misamis Oriental attended the Gawad Ido-Campeon for Local Governance Awarding Ceremony held in Novotel, Manila, Araneta City, General Aguinaldo Avenue, Quezon City. The circle on which the Gawad title is written signifies the wholeness and complementary efforts by all duty bearers, and it also captures the holistic perspective on learning and development that the said entity zealously champions. Provincial ECCD Misamis Oriental was very grateful to Governor Bambi Emano and the whole of Misamis Oriental for winning second place under the province category for this year's first ever Gawad Kampiyon for Local Governance Awards, garnering a percentage point of 89.75. Additionally, on the same day, the farmers market continued providing services by selling a variety of food, fruits, vegetables, and more, all products from the local farmers of Misamis Oriental. For last Friday, the total sales reached 65,862.60 cents, composing the processed goods with 6,490, rice with 28,500 peso, and fruits and vegetables with 30,872.60 cents among the 9 exhibitors present on the said display. Furthermore, since the province of Misamis Oriental is placed under Alert Level 1, many are intensely happy for the full support of Governor Bambi Emano to bring back the sports of outdoor activities. The following activities are now hereby allowed in the provincial capital every Friday from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. such as basketball, volleyball, table tennis, and Zumba exercises. Still, all the participants are required to present their vaccination card before participating in the said activities, since the same are classified as closed, crowded, and close contact activities under the Interagency Task Force IATF guidelines. Geneva Bandong, PIO.
All can lead, but just a few can influence people's lives. Indeed, just as how Governor Bambi Emano made a real difference as a tourism champion, along with the equally significant pillars under his administration. For the consolidated rundown of events from May 30 to June 3, 2022, the Provincial Health Office's diligent updates on their weekly functions highlighted last week's events. This proves true with the vaccine distribution under the expanded program on immunization being successfully carried out. The following data comprise the said development. Pfizer vaccine for 5 to 11 years old with 4,130 doses, while 2,754 doses were given intended for 12 years old population, and another set for Moderna with 490 doses, Sinovac with 345 doses, and AstraZeneca with 350 doses. Moreover, the COVID-19 surveillance team swabbed 1 patient and 2 persons undergone rapid antigen tests. The PHO clinic served a total of 25 patients with 3 cases under adverse effects following immunization or AEFI, 4 availed medical clearance, and 18 for other reasons. Within last week also, the PHO's Animal Bite Treatment Center recorded 13 new cases and 36 were under-scheduled for a total of 49 individuals catered. And for the mental or drug-induced psychosis program, 39 patients have been taken care of with 13 new cases under the mental health. Furthermore, a mental-free clinic was conducted by the said division held at Barangay Mauswagon in the municipality of Laguindingan, with the leadership of PHO Mental or Drug-Induced Psychosis Provincial Coordinator, Ms. Joy Tagarao. The beneficiaries in the said place heartily gave thanks to the eager support of the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, together with the collaborative effort of the LGU of Laguindingan and the RHU staff and the barangay health workers. Heartwarmingly, through this initiative, 22 individuals were provided with injection shots and were given tablets for free. Among them, 6 were visited personally in their houses by the mental or drug-induced psychosis staff. Additionally, for last week's series of events, the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office led the handing out of 10 sacks of rice to individuals in crisis situation living in the municipalities of Taguluan and Initaw. On the other hand, a total of 90 food packs were distributed to individuals in crisis situation located in Barangay Mulugan, El Salvador City, and Barangay Dayawan, Villanueva. These beneficial aids gave all the beneficiaries the privilege to experience and regain their fervor and strength for a hopeful tomorrow.
Ayong buntag, salamat God sa imong gihatag nga gamay nga suporta bisag gamay ra ni siya nga pagkaon pero daghan kami man makakaon sa among balay, like akong papa, akong anak, mga 4 ka buok, ako ug kung nay mo lang sa balay napag makakaon na silingan. Then dili sad ko maglimod sad nga. Karon salamat sa ang adlaw nga gitagaan mag blessing karon go bisan ug wala ka sa aman nakita karong adlaw. Salamat kaayo din.
In another story, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental Sangguniang Panlalawigan, under the headship of Vice Governor Jigjag Pilaez, approved ordinances and resolutions of at most 20 in number just last week during their 127th regular session. With the presiding officer Vice Governor Jigjag, together with the provincial board members, the approved papers encompass the committees on finance, health and sanitation, cooperative, disaster preparedness, and many more. Moreover, consecutive turnovers of financial assistance to different sectors, agencies, and individuals blissfully transpired the same week. Belonging to this success is a two transport association, the Osmoda and Ohoda in the municipality of Opul, who were both very grateful for this meant progress in their transport system. Another set of beneficiaries who received help was a certain association to be a legitimate registered in Dole Region 10 to avail variant of services such as for livelihood. Indeed, a heart of service resounded last week as many individuals were greatly assisted for their immediate and emergency needs after reaching out to the provincial capital, that the latter answered and responded accordingly and without fail. Regina Mora Tanel Maygay, PIO.